Start with the B. B-A-B. B-A-L. Z. That starts with the same letter that the first word ends with.